Say Tyler Perry yi be too much straw. I make waves near the no na Ghana for eke can sim be near day. And Shirley Frimpong Manson or one of, if not the best, one of our best filmmakers in Ghana and Maya no. Obon homodin ye pa. Was a straw on Netflix sparks outcry. Tyler Perry doesn't represent us. Let's back our own Shirley Frimpong Manson. Ochema munya straw ne hwe. Monkohwe ni sini a wetwa ebi kwa de doors sini de wetwa bebre efe pa. To ochema energy na mudi push straw no nka monfa energy no emmoa wo no Shirley Frimpong enye ono nko aga na sini twa nyina in general. Na say na netizens so tro ye hwe bi.
Recently, I saw something that was going around. I think Tyler Perry released a film called Straw.
Exactly.
And there's been so much talk about it on our social media pages and stuff. And I said, I don't remember getting this kind of attention when I have released the film. Do you understand? And so it's not balancing. Why are we talking about Tyler Perry's movie when, we could easily have that same attention come to a Shirley Frimpong Manson movie? Do you understand? We have put films there that critically examine a lot of things. Recently, we released a film called Chasing Lullaby.
I'm one of them can't say my yate. Say Adam's apple by the whole country no be a can want some Adam's apple. Those days Jocelyn Dumas Lydia Forsen, Chris Atto. Everybody was talking about it. Even anyway, the contrast, my director, Makweba, it was our project. So it is not as if say, yeah, I didn't know who about Ghana for, and I don't know if nay, yeah, I'm back home. But on say, what means so boom, can I could draw class or change snatching? Netizens say, Yankin Cabin show, can Yankin Cabin share, or say she does the same thing. I think you just see the post and just jump in conclusion. Let me say no reply Obi. Mommy and kind free show and kind because we your reply to Obi it doesn't tally with Shirley Samoana or Ka. Obi said so now if you ask me to watch the old movies like The President's Daughter, the one Nadia Buari and Jackie Appiah made years ago, I would still watch until now. I still remember the storyline of that movie, and it's because at that time, these actors put in so much effort in their acting. You could see so much dedication in them, but now it's not like that. Obi say exactly my point. How can you compare Tyler Perry's movie to ours? Obi say, do you even watch movies at all? Using old faces is very common with Tyler Perry. He also introduces new faces when he can. According to her, the newbies, when given the chance, they mess it up, and the oldies have worked with her before. She knows how serious she is. Personally, I don't mind seeing old ones in the movies. Focus on the storyline, not the actors. I have fine to appreciate seeing the old faces. Dear way na ya can be a say yesinicha yanyum tum ya one way. What's me ko show fiada artist goes to same artist ne gusto memeneda nipa na ebone homodin tie or deserve say be booking but say no obeya menti owu hwede mo say ha kwa na obeto. It's about time I be introduce new faces kwofo etwesi ni bebre but say na kwofo e Canada boy Jackie Appiah sa and old movies ya kai nyum ne kra anything is that I see oh tin tin okay. Sweetie, yo, say I go die for you. We still remember because it was dope. Yvonne Okoro, Mushi acid good, and Yakai was a Yakai storyline. And you know, get to work. Yamana make us say, netizens name, man, so kind almost so air trauma gene. Timo get it to work, we day for you. But on that note, Shirley is one of the best. No two ways about it. Maybe Ghana for person more challenge you. Now we'll bring it out. Your bestest. All the best, sister. Right.